Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites and taking the first actions. Confirm your Vrchat build and platform, and make sure Windows and GPU drivers are current. Next, close resource hogs and overlays. This reduces conflicts and frees memory. Once done, verify network stability, prefer wired or a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and check ping under 100 ms. Finally, run Vrchat as administrator to clear permission blocks. These steps remove common launch barriers and prepare you for deeper troubleshooting. Once initial checks pass, dig into the more detailed fixes. Clear Vrchat cache and local temporary data to remove corrupted assets, and then restart. Make sure Unity runtime and NET components are intact, and reinstall graphics APIs like Vulkan or DirectX if crashes persist. Also, verify GPU drivers via clean install. At the same time, open firewall and antivirus settings and explicitly allow Vrchat Unity and your platform client so network or file blocking won't interrupt operation. To finish, reinstall Vrchat if earlier steps failed, or opt into the public beta to bypass a bad release. This often resolves recent regressions. Then, log in using a fresh account or guest session to determine whether the problem is account-specific versus system-level. If issues continue, gather logs, the Vrchat output log, TXT and Windows Event Viewer entries, and review timestamps. One key tip: if nothing helps, roll back your GPU driver one version. Newer drivers sometimes introduce regressions that break.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.